Unlocking grammar. Mastering passive voice in past perfect tense. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an important topic in English grammar: passive voice in past perfect tense. But before we get into that, we need to understand how to identify the subject, verb, and object in active sentences. This will lay a solid foundation for our discussion on converting active voice to passive voice. So, let's get started. When we talk about sentences, the subject is the doer of the action, the verb is the action itself, and the object is the entity that receives the action. For instance, in the sentence, Laura baked a cake, Laura is the subject, baked is the verb, and a cake is the object. Identifying the subject, verb, and object in a sentence is crucial for converting active voice to passive voice. So, how do we do it? It's actually quite simple. The subject usually comes at the beginning of the sentence. It's what or who the sentence is about. The verb follows the subject. It shows the action. The object usually comes after the verb. It's what or who is affected by the action of the verb. Let's take the sentence, Jack had repaired the car. Jack is the subject, had repaired is the verb, and the car is the object. Once we've identified the subject, verb, and object in an active sentence, we can easily convert it into passive voice. We do this by making the object of the active sentence the subject of the passive sentence, and by changing the verb accordingly. In our previous example, Jack had repaired the car. The passive voice would be, the car had been repaired by Jack. As you can see, the car becomes the subject, had been repaired is the new verb form, and Jack now serves as the agent. And there you have it. Now you know how to identify the subject, verb, and object in an active sentence, which is a crucial step towards mastering the passive voice in the past perfect tense. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing these steps until they become second nature. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video where we'll delve deeper into the world of passive voice. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, grammar isn't scary. It's just a way to unlock the power of language.